My name is Eric Wold, and I am one of the original founders of Bottega. My role here is CEO. My passion is to make better outcomes happen for people. Bottega exists because there is such an incredible need for people with tech talent. Technology has made it possible for the world to become flat. What we mean by that is people can be connected anywhere. If you develop the talent to participate in the technology economy, your opportunities are unlocked no matter where you live. So we created Bottega to bring opportunity to people, to level the playing field, to give everyone access to amazing technology education. I think nationally we've got something like only about 18% females in the computer science industry. We're really excited to have more than 40% of the new students coming into Bottega female. An engineer is a person that can help take a dream, an idea, and make that become real. Bottega is a computer science engineering school. We do one thing, and that is create software engineers. We're engineering a process to better and better create engineers. One of the most exciting things about Bottega for me personally is that we have been able to create a way for anybody that wants it, anybody that's hungry for a more successful future, to have it, regardless of credit score or financial background. No one can say, no, you can't go because your credit score is not good enough, or you don't come from the right socioeconomic background. You do not pay $1 until after you graduate and get a job. And then we partner with you in that, continually helping you to be more successful, to earn more, to upgrade your skills, and we share in that income. That's a new financing option that we have for everyone that will allow anybody that wants it to do this. Technology education is an equalizer that allows anyone to bring their family prosperity.